A lot of people say that if you use an ERP production schedule, then you're not being lean because ERP is push and it's not pull, and push is bad. So let me just assure you that there are ways to use your existing ERP to establish lean pull-based flow in your factory, much as if though you were using physical Kanbans. That's what my book, Lean MRP, is all about, and the 90 Days to On-Time Execution program is the way that I help manufacturers lay the foundation to make those kinds of lean improvements, achieve on-time performance, improve cost efficiency, and do all of this in a way that's scalable for an operation of any size using a computer. One of the concepts that's extremely powerful when it comes to effective shop floor execution is the role that schedule priorities have. Now, many of you may think, well, we're already working to schedule priorities. But I'm going to assume that for many of you, that may not in fact be true. So let me explain. If you use production order due dates to prioritize work, I'm talking about the dates that are typically printed at the top of your shop floor travelers. Those dates may not necessarily be a good proxy for the priorities needed to effectively and reliably meet customer schedule requirements. This is particularly true if you have parts that have to pass through multiple manufacturing steps. By the same token, if you use operation start and finish dates to prioritize work, those are no better. In fact, they can be much worse. Instead, what I promote is using a stable, customer-driven production schedule, as I described in the last video, that's firmly rooted in the customer requirements. This schedule is much different because it's unaffected by other things that turn out to be extraneous and counterproductive. And your competitors aren't doing this. They don't know about it, and quite frankly, they don't have the stomach to do what it takes to implement this kind of a control system. It's only when you have a stable customer-driven schedule that you can provide the shop floor as well as external suppliers with a set of priorities that you know are realistically achievable. You can manage the supply chain to these priorities, and if adhered to, will lead to on-time performance for you and the customer.